Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Homoeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, as we have started our summer special homeopathic medicine series, so today we are going to study homeopathic medicine cantharides. Cantharides is a very useful medicine in summer complaints like urinary tract infection, burns and scalds, renal colic and many more diseases. Friends, to get a complete knowledge of homeopathic medicine cantharides, you have to watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and press a bell icon so that you will never miss any latest and informative videos on homeopathic medicines. So let's get started. Cantharides, a homeopathic medicine prepared from the Spanish flies. These flies are about an inch long and yellowish green in color. Cantharides is proved by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann and it belongs to the family Cantharidae. Now friends, let's start with pathogenesis and sphere of action of this medicine. Cantharides specially acts on mucous membranes of kidneys, urinary bladder, urethra, ureter. It also acts on respiratory system and gastrointestinal tract, particularly the lower bowel. It also acts on skin, especially the mucous membranes of skin. Pathogenesis. Cantharides, by acting on urinary organ and gastrointestinal tract, causes a state of acute violent inflammation. While acting on skin, cantharides produces irritation, inflammation, which is followed by vesication, that is nothing but formation of blisters, which are seen as in burns. Friends, this inflammation, which is produced by cantharides, is always associated with irritation of the bladder. Now, let's start with the symptomatology of cantharides. As cantharides has its special action on urinary organs, so let's study the urinary complaints of cantharides patient. Patient feels burning sensation in every part of body, both internally and externally. Along with this burning sensation, there is oversensitiveness of all body parts. Friends, whenever patient comes in our clinic with some urinary trouble, the first medicine that comes in our mind is cantharides. Now, let's see how patient explains the urinary complaints. The patient complains of frequent urging to urinate, and every time the patient passes urine, there is cutting, pain, along with severe burning sensation. This burning sensation and cutting pain is felt in urethra and it is present throughout, that is before passing the urine, while urination and after passing the urine. Patient passes small quantity of urine and this is unsatisfactory for the patient. So there is a constant desire to pass the urine and urine is passed only in drops. Along with these complaints, patient also tells that there is severe aching type of pain in the back. Now, let's see cantharides in Haematuria. Whenever cantharides patient suffers from Haematuria, the patient says that blood is coming with urine. The urine is shreddy and jelly-like in consistency. The urine is also passed drop by drop with severe burning sensation in the urethra. Modalities. All the urinary complaints of cantharides patient get aggravated from drinking cold water, during urination, from drinking coffee, and all these complaints are ameliorated by rubbing the parts and after warmth application. Now, let's start with the skin complaints of cantharides patient. Cantharides is an indicated medicine in many of the skin diseases such as erysipelas, psoriasis and eczema. The patient complains of severe burning sensation over the affected part. There is severe irritation and itching in the affected parts seen, along with the severe burning pain. The skin is inflamed with many of the vesicles over the body, which are sore to touch and are suppurating in nature. These vesicles spread throughout the body with violent burning and itching. The skin complaints are aggravated from touch and are relieved by cold application. Friends, Cantharides is a topmost homeopathic first aid medicine useful in the cases of burns. Now let's see in which condition we can prescribe cantharides. Cantharides can be used externally in burns but before the blisters are formed, and it can also be used when blisters have already formed. If the skin is unbroken, cantharides will promptly relieve this complaint. It reduces the burning. It will also reduce the severe pain and irritation from which the patient is suffering. If cantharides is prescribed in early cases, it will also prevent the formation of blisters over the area affected by the burns. Cantharides in dysentery. Friends, cantharides is a very good medicine useful in the cases of dysentery. During dysentery, patient complains of severe colicky pain in abdomen, especially before stool, during stool and after passing the stool. Along with this colicky pain, there is severe tenesmus in the abdomen felt. This colicky pain is cutting type of pain and there is severe burning sensation in the abdomen felt. The character of stool during dysentery is bloody, mucoid, which looks like scraping of intestines. During dysentery, there is a concomitant symptom always seen, and that is dysentery is always associated with difficult and painful urination in the Cantharidesdrugpicture patient. Friends, this is one of the keynote symptoms always seen in Cantharidesdrugpicture patient during dysentery. Cantharides in gynecological diseases. Friends, cantharides is a very useful medicine in gynecological diseases. It has a power to expel the moles, the dead fetus, placenta, the remains of placenta, and it also promotes the fecundity. Let's study the mental symptoms of Cantharides patient. Cantharides patient is restless, dissatisfied. Patient continuously moves here and there. There is confusion and patient is unable to concentrate on the thoughts. In severe cases, there is mania with delirium. Patient becomes so violent that he cries violently. He barks like a dog. He kicks off the clothes. Along with this, there is great amativeness seen in the Cantharides patient. Let's see general modalities in Cantharides patient. Complaints get aggravated from slightest touch while urination, after drinking cold water, after drinking coffee, and complaints are ameliorated by rubbing, after warmth application, and cold application in the cases of skin complaints. So friends, this is the video on homeopathic medicine Cantharides, a very useful medicine in summer season. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comments section given below. Like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel to get more and more knowledge on homeopathic Matra Medica. Meet you soon. Thank you for watching.